So I just finished cutting this on this roll saw. This is something that I started a little bit ago. So it's going to be a mountain lion, puma, whatever you want to call it. I know they got lots of names. This was all made from the bucket of oak that I've mentioned in previous videos. And even though this was made from the bucket of oak and I used up materials from it, as you can see here, there's still pieces that I'm going to end up saving because they're, decent enough sized. And that's why I always kind of joke about that bucket never empties, never ends. It's actually becoming two buckets now. I have one for smaller pieces. That one is for projects that are like the layered animals that I know I've mentioned before and have made stencils for and stuff like that. And then one is for bigger chunks of wood that I can use for, projects kind of like this. But yeah, that's just a way to keep using up material. It was all reclaimed to begin with. Some of this, I think I mentioned in another video, came from the Arby's that I've mentioned in multiple videos. And then now it's going to get reclaimed again into other projects. So even the saved wood made this, and then the wood from that is being saved yet again. And I don't necessarily have an exact idea of what these will be, but like I said, I'll save it and it'll most likely become parts of layered animals and stuff like that. But that is all done cutting, and I'm just gonna peel it all now. You can kind of see, this is the back side obviously, but you can kind of see the finished product there. It'll still need to get sanded a bit. It's still rough here, but that's also gonna be the back side. And then this will get mounted onto a wooden backer, and it'll probably get stained a little bit darker, and then everything will get polyurethane. I get a sawtooth hanger, and we'll go from there. But that's, like I said, the main thing on this was this is all oak from the, I guess we'll almost the infamous oak bucket, and I guess I'll just keep feeding the oak bucket because I can still use a bunch of that. I have been doing a couple other projects, trying to use some stuff up out of there, but it seems like no matter what I do, once I finish one project, there's more that goes back into that bucket, and keep using it as much as I can and saving it and making stuff and trying to keep waste down as much as possible. But that's all for now.